In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Thinkorswim Custom Columns. Customizing your columns lets you see the exact information you care about in your watch lists, so your most important data is always front and center. To begin, go to the Market Watch tab at the top of Thinkorswim and select Quotes. If you already have a watch list panel open anywhere in the platform, you can work there as well. The process is the same. In that watch list, look for the header row, the bar that displays the current column names like symbol, last, or net change. Right-click directly on that header row. In the menu that appears, choose Customize. This opens the Customize Column Sets window, which is the control center for your layout. Inside this window, you'll see two main sections. On the left is Available Items. This is a comprehensive list of all the columns you can add, ranging from basic price data to more specialized stats. On the right is Current Set. This shows the columns that are currently visible in your watch list. To include a new column, click once to select it in the Available Items list, then click the Add arrow pointing to the right. That moves the selected item into your current set. Take a moment to add everything you actually use during your routine. Things like volume, percentage change, bid and ask, or other metrics that support your strategy. If you add something and later decide you don't need it, you can always come back and remove it using the same Customize window. After you've added what you need, set the viewing order so your most important data appears exactly where you expect it. In the current set list, select a column and use the up or down arrows to shift it higher or lower in the list. Items at the top will appear farther to the left in your watch list, which is helpful for quick scanning and consistent muscle memory. When you're satisfied with the selection and order, click OK to save your layout. Your watch list updates immediately with the new columns in the order you chose. If something doesn't look right, just right-click the header row again, choose Customize, and make additional adjustments. Consider grouping price-based columns together, then liquidity metrics, then movement indicators, so your eyes travel logically from left to right. If you monitor multiple watch lists, using the same column order across them can speed up your decision-making. And remember, customizing columns doesn't change your symbols or alerts. It only changes what information you see about them. That's all there is to it. With your custom columns in place, your watch lists become faster to read and better aligned with your workflow.